Oatmeal is easy to love. It's a warm, filling whole grain that is easy to prepare and packs a nutritious punch. You may be wondering, what's the difference between rolled or steel-cut oats? Rolled oats have simply been steamed and rolled over to flatten before packaging. Steel-cut oats, on the other hand, are just oats chopped up into smaller pieces with a sharp blade. Both maintain their whole grain status, so choose the one you like best because they're both healthful choices. A few things will happen if you start eating oatmeal every day. 1. You'll manage, or maybe lose, weight. Oatmeal fills you up so you can make the most of your morning without distracting hunger pangs. A study comparing a breakfast of oatmeal to cornflakes found that oatmeal leaves the stomach more slowly, keeping hunger at bay longer. In fact, those who ate an oatmeal breakfast consumed less at their next meal for overall fewer calories, especially if they were already overweight. It's believed that oatmeal's beta-glucan content attributes to these satiating effects. Your heart will be healthier. You have probably heard that oatmeal is a heart-healthy food. It says so on the packaging, but there is hard science to back that up. Oats offer cholesterol-lowering properties associated with better overall cardiovascular health. Adding just 2 ounces of dry oats, or 1 cup cooked, to a typical American diet can offer a beneficial impact on cholesterol levels. Oatmeal can also help with glycemic control, aka keeping blood sugar levels stable, which is highly relevant for people with diabetes since they're at a higher risk for cardiovascular disease. As a whole grain food, oatmeal has 26 grams of carbohydrates in a 1 cup serving, a great breakfast choice for someone with or without diabetes. Your gut will thank you. An important way to support your gastrointestinal health is to include probiotics in your diet. Probiotics are types of fiber that human intestines can't digest but that feed the good bacteria in your gut. The beta-glucan found in oatmeal is a great way to keep your friendly gut bacteria happy and healthy. In addition to its prebiotic properties, the fiber in oatmeal helps to keep you regular. Cooked oatmeal contains a total of 4 grams of dietary fiber per cup, which adds bulk to the contents of your gut and helps you, eliminate waste so you don't feel bloated. 4. You'll get a nutrient boost. We already touched on oatmeal's carb content, but what about protein and fat? Oatmeal is low in fat, only 2 grams per cup, and virtually saturated fat-free. Surprisingly, 1 cup of oatmeal has 5 grams of protein. It's also packed with micronutrients, including copper, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, selenium and zinc as well as antioxidants. And 1 cup of oatmeal will only set you back 143 calories, before you add toppings. Enjoying oatmeal in the morning will set you up to make great choices throughout the day. 5. You'll never have a boring breakfast again. Your body thrives on a variety of foods, and oatmeal is the perfect blank canvas to mix up your breakfast routine with different toppings. You may like to prepare oatmeal each morning, but you can also make a large pot for the week ahead and portion out a serving to reheat each day. I recommend adding a bit more milk or water before microwaving for a minute.